YSK. How to stop hiccups. My method was always actively try to hiccup. As it's an involuntary action, the diaphragm immobilizes. Mine's quicker. Hold your breath for 3 seconds, swallow 3x in a row without pause. It's hard, but can be done. My fiance screams you're not a fish at me, and it works every time. Best method hands down emo is to eat a large spoonful of peanut butter. Like 2 tablespoons. You want to struggle to get it down, or just press your diaphragm down holding a deep breath for 20 to 30 seconds. This should stretch that what causes it. Okay, well, I have always gone with a dessert spoonful of vinegar and sugar. The sugar does nothing but it tastes nice. But the vinegar causes a diaphragm contraction, changing the rhythm of the hiccup. I love this because I love folk remedies for hiccups and the comments are full of them. Keep them coming, folks.